Hi everyone, Debbie here. I'm going to dive straight into explaining this piece as it's one of my favorite pieces so far. I think this is because of how unexpected this turned out. Firstly, let's talk about the background. I didn't plan for the background to look like it does because all I did was use leftover acrylic paint from my previous paintings. I think this is the best way to reuse and not waste leftover paint, especially when using acrylics as they dry fast. As I started to paint, I thought I was going to paint over the canvas, but I decided to leave it as is. I quickly drew guidelines to help me speed up as I sketched. I didn't want to spend so much time sketching or overthinking the painting. In this piece, I used an image of my young sister. I chose this image because of the mood it portrayed, and I wanted to bring that mood to my painting. I didn't know which angle or route to take with this piece. I just decided to go with the flow. My aim when painting this was to work as fast as I can and also to let loose with my palette. This is because I usually spend a lot of time preparing my palette and mixing colors. I always limit my palette to three primary colors, which are blue, red, and yellow. These have always been my go-to colors from the time I started painting. I am a self-taught painter and I'm still learning to perfect my painting skills. Because I use these three primary colors, I find myself mixing the paint to get the actual color I would like to use. Preparing my palette can take from about 30 minutes to an hour. I really do enjoy this part of painting, and I actually find it therapeutic. Another reason to why I mix my own colors is because it gives my paintings more depth. But this time around, I decided to not mix my colors but just use the primary colors and blend on the canvas. It was a bit terrifying for me because it was the first time I had to follow my instincts in terms of laying down colors and not having to have a precise plan to follow. I didn't expect the painting to come out the way it did. It is indeed a good feeling to get surprised by your own painting, and this is why I love to paint. One thing this painting taught me is that it's okay to let go of the doubts. It's okay to let go of what we've always known and to trust that we have what it takes to create something and that we have the ability to let go of the fear that holds us back. Thank you for tuning in, and like, subscribe, and share. Watch out for the next video. Thank you.